All right, so we're going to do expanded notation for 307,250. So we've already started this. The 3 is in the hundred thousands place. So we're going to do 3 times 100,000. What goes in between my parentheses groups? A plus sign. Good. Now my next digit is a 0. I don't have to do anything for the 0. So I'm going to skip over to the 7. And what place value position is that 7 in? It's in the thousands place. So I'm going to make a set of parentheses for the 7. I'm going to write down 7 times, and you're going to multiply it times the place value that it's in. What place is the 7 in? So I'm going to do 7 times 1,000. Very good. Then you're going to close your parentheses. So that this is the open parentheses, and this one is the closed parentheses. What goes between your sets of parentheses? Plus. Good. You're going to add the value of each digit. My next digit is a what? 2. So I'm going to do an open parentheses and a 2, and then I'm going to multiply it times the place value position that the 2 is in. What position is 2 in? 100. Very good. So I'm going to do 2 times 100. Then I'm going to close my parentheses, and then I'm going to make a new parentheses set for the next digit. What's our next digit? 5. What am I going to put right here? 10. You're a little bit ahead. What goes in between my groups of parentheses? Good. So I'm going to put an addition sign, open parentheses, and then my digit is 5. And what am I going to multiply times 5? 10. Good. Why 10? Because it's in the tens place. Awesome. Show me with your thumbs. How do y'all feel about that? All right. Do y'all want to try this next one on your own, and then we'll check it together?
Yes.
Okay, raise your hand if you want to do it on your own and check it. Raise your hand if you want to do it together. Okay, pretty much most of us voted for do it on your own, and then we'll check it. So I'm going to give you some time to work that on your own, and then we'll check it. So pause the video and work it out, and then we'll come back and check it together. All right, let's check this together. The first digit that you're going to do a set of parentheses for is which one? 1 billion. Very good. So you're going to do 1 times what? 1 billion. So it needs 9 zeros, just like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits after that 1, you're going to get 9 zeros over here. And that's where if you know your 3s, you can count 3, 6, 9 really quick. 3, 6, and 9. Plus, what's our next digit?
100 million.
What's the next digit that we're going to do?
800 million.
Which digit?
8.
Good, the 8. So we're going to open parentheses. 8 times its place value. What place value position is that 8 in? 100 millionths place. So you're going to do it times 8 times 100 million. Plus, you don't do anything for your zeros. The next digit that we're going to do is the 7. And what place value position is that 7 in?
700,000.
It's in the what place value?
100,000.
100,000. So you're going to do 7 times 100,000. Close your parentheses. Plus, I'm going to have to come down here because I don't have enough room. The next digit is the 5. 5 times what? 10,000. Close your parentheses. Plus 3 times 1. And there you go. You're done.